Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to Introduce Yourself. We with my classmates were asked to film a video and post it on Facebook and to have at least 50 people to like this video. First of all, I would like to introduce myself. I am Julius Cesar Yakmakapayag, 20 years old. I was born on the 29th day of December 1990. I am currently residing at Nazareth, Cagayan de Oro City, Philippines. I love playing badminton, I love playing chess, I love to watch movies, especially I am a great fan of anime. I also love watching series. My people are very feeders, posers, and scammers. And my favorite colors are red, blue, green, and black. I was asked My answer would be because I love this school. Aside from that, the tuition fee here is very much affordable than other universities here at Cagayan de Oro City. Because I love communication. I want to be a public speaker or I want to be a great communicator someday. And I want to be in a company which deals more about communication, like call center company.